Hey folks, this is BJ Corvinus again, and on my way to church and filming the blackbirds again. I have to tell you, this is a very strange phenomenon for me. They're just flying in and circling. It is amazing, Lord. This is the 29th of October. I'm watching again all the swirling blackbirds. Just amazing. Just amazing, Lord. Now, whatever the purpose of the blackbirds swirling like this is very unusual. But I know the Lord will bring insight to what this is about. This may seem like a non-occurrence to a lot of people, but there really is something very important here. And I praise the Lord on my way to church that God has allowed me to view this and experience this. It's my third time in my life now. These blackbirds swirling. So I'll be reporting back more on this phenomenon, but I pray you're blessed and have a good day in the Lord. Take care.